Hello all, so welcome to the day 4 of the 30-day video run of helping myself, and today we are going to do something we all actually hate. But before that I'm gonna have my breakfast. I made some dal chawal yesterday and a lot of it is left, so I'm gonna have it first and then I'm going to tell you what I'm gonna do today, so just stay tuned. Hi guys, so I've served myself the breakfast, so I'm just gonna have it quickly and then we'll get back to you. Hi again, so guys, I just finished my food and now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do today to help myself. So here we go. So I think by looking at this mess and this thing right over here, you get a gist of it as to what are we going to do today. So let's just get started. I know we all hate cleaning, but I've previously observed that if your environment is clean or the area where you live is clean, you feel pretty good. So why not try it again? So I'm just gonna clean my room and see you soon. Hi again, so I'm done with the cleaning now. So let me just show you how the room looks after my efforts. Just wait a second. So here we go. I cannot say it's in its best shape, but I can say that it is looking better than before. So yeah, now let's just talk for a while. So hi everybody, and oh, let me just show you one thing what I found while cleaning. Where it go? See, I got these 40 cents, half the price of my ice cream. So yes, I'm gonna have ice cream tonight. So yes, coming back to the cleaning part, I'm still against it. I am not a cleaning person. I do not like it, like many of you. We all hate it, but yeah, I feel pretty good now by looking around. So I think I'll get a better sleep today, and yeah, the room is looking good. So I guess it helped me, and now I'm gonna try it to keep it clean and maintain the cleanliness. So yes, that was all for day 4. So guys, I'm running out of ideas. Just tell me that what all you do to cheer yourself up. Tell me, I want to try those things, and let's just share things with people, guys. It feels so good. So yeah, see you tomorrow on day 5. Till then, just keep helping each other and stay good.